Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This printer is HP DESKJET 2800 series 2810E to be precise. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan and print from this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up, connect it to Wi-Fi network or wireless network for the first time. What you need to do is, first of all, you need to press the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together for 3 seconds. The printer will start to flash. You can see the printer is flashing. Then you release it. This Wi-Fi button is now flashing. So once you press it, the printer will flash. Then the Wi-Fi button will start flashing. Then what you need to do is you need to download HP Smart App from your mobile phone or your laptop. You need to download HP Smart App on your phone or your laptop, depending on whichever gadget you are using. Okay, and open it up. Now you need to select the plus. Okay, choose the type of printer to set up. Set up a new printer. Select Wi-Fi network. Select continue and select continue. Turn Bluetooth on. Select continue. It will start. HP Smart App is asking to turn Bluetooth on. Select allow and it's connecting Bluetooth. Here we go. Printer is found. HP DESKJET 2800 series. You need to select on it. Now we need to put the password. So I have the information here. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password? I got the password from the back of my network router. Okay, so the same password you are using for a Wi-Fi network is what you need. So I'm just putting the information. So also you need to check if the information you put is correct. If you're happy with it, then you go ahead. And I'm happy with the information. Now the next thing to do is you need to select continue. Printer is found. Press and release the flashing information button. So press this once, information button, release it, then preparing the printer. Printer prepared. So now the next thing is obtaining IP address. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Select continue. Connected to HP service. Select accept all. Introducing HP Plus. Okay, activate HP Plus for smart printing capability. This is tutorial, so I'm going to select do not activate. Decline HP Plus. The reason I'm declining it is because this is tutorial. Select continue. Registering your printer. Welcome to HP account. Loading your instant ink trial. Your printer includes 2 months instant ink trial delivery. If you select next, then they will go ahead, okay, for this to happen. But I'm going to select do not activate instant ink delivery. The reason I'm doing this is just because it's tutorial. Skip offer, auto update, and select apply. Okay, now it's asking us print, scan the alignment page after installing ink. Wait for the alignment page to print. This might take a few minutes. Okay, if you have done this before, then you select alignment already completed. Okay, so you can select alignment already completed. Setup complete. Let's print. Okay, so select print a document, or you can skip printing page. Print a document. Now I will print out this document. Select print. Here we go. Now it's printing the document. The next thing is in terms of print from other device, not right now. Setup complete. All done. And this is the printer, HP DESKJET 2800 series, and this is the ink cartridges level. It's printing out welcome information. Here we go. So this is how to set this printer up, and this printer is ready. The only thing is in terms of HP instant ink, what I choose is pay as you go. Once the ink finishes, then I buy another ink. But if you want to ink subscription, then you can select it, but it's not compulsory. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to set this printer up to Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.